Hey friends, if you wish to unsubscribe from all of the channels you subscribe to on YouTube, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, go to this page youtube.com/feed/channels. I'll share the link in the description section of this video. You will notice every channel which you have ever subscribed to. So to unsubscribe from a channel individually, simply click on the download pointing arrow and select unsubscribe. But if you wish to unsubscribe from all the channels at once, then I'll share a script in the description section of this video. Simply copy this script, right click in the open space, select inspect, go to the console tab. Now in the console tab, you'll have to type a word which is allow pasting. Hit enter. Then type again allow pasting. Hit enter once again. After you have typed it twice and hit enter, paste the script, hit enter, and you will notice that all of these channels are unsubscribing by themselves. You don't have to do that manually. All you need to do is wait for the channels to unsubscribe and do not close this page till then. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and if it didn't help, then please let us know in the comment section of this video. I will investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.